Hey, so here I'm gonna show you how you can enable automatic subtitles. So if you just wanna watch something without turning subtitles on manually every time, so let me show you how you can turn automatic subtitles on or off on your Toshiba 4K Smart Fire TV in the quickest way possible. So now for enable this, you have to just back to your home, and now from settings, you have to go to accessibility. So you can also turn it off from here if you don't want it. So here we'll also find many more options to customize the subtitle size, color, opacity, and much more. So from whenever you watch something, the subtitle will automatically turn on by itself. So if you see it's not working, that means the app you are using or the video you are playing requires subtitles to be enabled manually. So now from the bottom menu, you will find the subtitles option. Just turn it on manually. You can customize by its color, size, or the language that you actually prefer. So you have to remember some apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney, or many more apps require subtitles to be enabled manually. So this is actually normal. And that's it. So that's how you can enable automatic subtitles, and if it doesn't work, how you can add them manually on your Toshiba Fire TV. Hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.